All right, so we're going to in-service the Olympus Lithocrush. You'll see here a couple different components. This is the ratchet handle. This is the Lithocrush basket. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this out of packaging. This is the distally wire guided basket where your wire will go through at this end here. Keep in mind this black marker here needs to be exposed when putting the basket in the ratchet handle. There are yellow indicators on either to match up with each other when putting together the device. This port here is where we will inject contrast to flush the device. There's a lock on your handle here that will allow you to move it this way, and if it's locked, it will not allow you to pull back. This is the ratchet, which will really allow you to crush the stone, and you want it on an on position only when crushing. When setting up and getting into the patient and putting it into position, you want it on an off position. So now we're going to load the basket into this handle. So again, ratchet on an off position. So we're going to line up yellow to yellow, just like this. It's okay that the handle moves just a little bit. You're going to get a little click once it's locked in. To check if the basket is connected, you're going to push forward on the ratchet handle, and it is. Once it's pushed forward, you're going to lock it in by turning this knob. What that's doing is it's securing the basket to the handle. Okay? Pull the basket back. Now we're going to flush. It's going to take about 2 to 2.5 cc's. Go. Now the basket is ready to backload the wire. Now the wire is already in the patient, so now we're going to backload the wire through the distal tip of the basket, like so. Now we are ready to insert it's got to go the other way. Very important to go the other way so that it can go through. Okay. Then you're going to pass it through like so. Once you're in the duct, this will be our stone to use here. You're going to extend the basket. Once you have position, you're going to do an introductal exchange, and you're going to pull the wire out. Okay? Once you find the stone, you're going to use this ratchet to close the basket on the stone. This is also a rotatable basket, so you can rotate it to get the stone in the position that you want. So once you start feeling that pressure, that's when we're going to turn this ratchet on, and we're going to start crushing the stone like this. Once you feel a little bit of loosening, that means that you'll see the stone has been crushed endoscopically. If you have to go back in to crush again, you can turn the ratchet off and push this back and go in for another crush. Once the stones have been crushed, be sure to retract the basket, pull it safely out of the patient, and then we're going to disconnect the basket from the handle by holding on, pushing in this yellow here. Unlock this knob, and to finally release it, you're gonna push on the knob and pull, and that'll release the basket from